Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your operating system so you choose the right command. Once done, save any open documents and close apps that may prompt for passwords. Make sure you know the primary shortcut. On Windows, use the Windows key, on Mac OS, use CMD plus space, and on many Linux desktops, use Control plus Alt plus T. You want a clear, minimal environment so the terminal opens without interference, and you can focus on the next steps quickly. You now perform the actual open action using the simplest method for your system. On Windows, press the Windows key, type CMD or PowerShell and hit Enter to run as your user. Right-click to run as administrator if needed. On Mac OS, press CMD plus space, type Terminal and press Enter to launch a shell. Once the terminal window appears on Linux, Control plus Alt plus T, or selecting Terminal from the Activities menu, gives you a prompt where you can type commands and see immediate feedback. You finish by verifying the prompt so you know the shell is ready. Look for C, / on Windows, or a username at hostname on Unix-like systems. If you need elevated privileges, use Run as administrator on Windows or prepend sudo on Mac OS and Linux. Make sure you understand why elevation is required to avoid accidental damage. If the terminal won't open, check for disabled shortcuts, antivirus blocking, or group policies, reboot and try an alternative launcher, and then adjust settings or ask for admin help if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.